Hello everyone, we are going to learn about how to use page layout in Excel. This is my Excel sheet. Okay, I just want to use here. This is a pa- page layout. I want to use the themes. Okay, just click here. You can see the different types of themes available here. See the changes. You can take those you want. There are different types of themes available. I just want to click this one. Can see here. Second thing is you can change the colors those you want. Okay, you can change the font size also, and you can use the different effects, as like you can use the 3D effects, and as usual that you can use this. That's it. Thank you.